Hi there. This is my first video for 2020 and I'll be showing off some of the stuff that I got for Christmas along with other goodies. Of course, my mom had shipped them from the Philippines. She said there were things that would help my makeup life. These and many more. She's so supportive, oh my god. I feel like it came with a new set of art materials. Lashes from Lazada because she said some of my viewers might prefer smaller lashes than the ones I usually use. Lustrous and BYS eyeshadow that she got from Watson's. BYS is an Australian brand, but I think Lustrous is only available in the Philippines. I can't find it in the shops here, unlike this one. Thanks, Mom. Let's check them out. It's a nice and shiny compact case with very interesting colors and a mirror. Seriously, it says diet. Guess I really have to then. Even my lipstick says so. Let's start. Toner. Serums. Oh, that was yummy. Brows. Eyeshadow. The mirror is just too magnified for my liking. I'll apply eyeshadow directly on this eye. And put foundation as primer on my other eye. Just so you know how it looks like or how pigmented it is when applied with or without primer or foundation. They kind of still look the same. A bit of cleanup. So this is how it look like if I do my eyebrows too thin. And I don't think I want that, so let's just put it back the way it was before. Now for eyeliner. Lashes time! I'll show you how this one is done. Since it's a new pair, we still have to measure first and cut the sides. Lifting my own lashes a bit so it has somewhere to sit on. Because unlike the glam ones I have, this one has a very thin band and doesn't have a firm shape. Imagine bras, one with underwire and one without. I struggled more with the natural ones, not because they're natural sized, it's because they're designed like that. The whole set costs less than $6 for 5 pairs when they had an online sale. They're really cheap ones. But the main ones, the usual ones that I use, are about $18 to 20 Australian dollars a pair, and you can use them multiple times. Check out the link in the description if you want to get some of their super awesome lashes. Doing the rest of the face. Powder. Highlight. Contour. Fixing the eyes a bit. Plus some focused contouring. Now the cheeks. Let's use this one. Not bad. Some blackish for the roots. A bit more powder. The diet lipstick. Oh, the smell is okay. Not very thick and it's not sticky too, and mattifies quickly. I hope you enjoyed this makeup review, comparison, and tutorial as much as I did. See you next time.